Hey guys, so I know it seems like I probably just posted the last Fitglow lip serum duo, and that's because I did. I think it was like less than a month ago. But for the holiday season, Fitglow has released another lip serum duo, and I think I might like this duo more than the last duo. Buff was my favorite of the last duo that came out. Root is really pretty, but I think I like this, the new color, better. So this is the new limited edition lip color serum duo, and it includes two different colors, both like sort of in the red family. There's Juice, which has been released before as a single, but I don't think it's been available for a while. And then the new shade is Deep, which I really like. I'm really loving this duo. So I did want to go ahead and do a little quick swatch video, so another little 5-minute video for you again. I will go ahead and link below the two other lip serum the other two lip serum videos that I've done in the past. The lip serum duo that was previously available that I think is still available at some retailers. Root is available for individual purchase, and I'm pretty sure she's bringing Buff back, but that's not available right now. But I'll link below any other retailers that I know that still carry that duo. And then I'll also link below my full swatch video of all the previous 9 colors before she released any of the others. So the new colors that have been released recently are Buff, Root, and Deep, which I really like. I think it might be one of my new favorite colors. So I think I actually want to wear Juice today. So I'm going to go ahead and do Deep first. So this is Deep, which is just like a beautiful deep red color. Oh, when I saw this in the tube originally, I thought it was going to be more purple, because if you look how different it looks in the tube versus like on the lips. I thought it was going to be a very purple color, but it actually is just more of like it's almost like wine, like a red wine color. Oh, I just love it. I wore it on Halloween when I was like walking the neighborhood, because that was the first day that I tried it on. I just absolutely love this color. It is so pretty. I also have like mom bun hair going on today. Little Jessie sitting back here. Oh, I usually put up the changing pad, but Jessie was sitting on it and I totally forgot that it was back here. So yeah, again, this one is Deep, the newest shade released by Fitglow. I absolutely love it. Perfect for the holidays. It's a perfect nice red color, but it's not too bold and in your face if you don't like that kind of thing. I don't mind that kind of thing. I love reds. I still have another lip swatch video with a new red. Not from Fitglow. It's from Alima Pure that I'll be releasing soon, but I love this color. So the second one here is Juice. I have already technically swatched this one before, but if you haven't watched that video, for the sake of this little swatch fest happening here, I'll go ahead and do it again. It's just like a very juicy color, like the name describes. It's like a pink red, like a juicy, like you had like fruit punch or something. So Deep is like you're drinking wine. Juice is like you're drinking like fruit punch or something. It's kind of what it looks like on the mouth. But I also really love this color. So pretty. I don't think she has any other reds. She's got a couple of pinks. Live and Gospel are two really pretty pinks. Root is more of like a purple color, I think, or maybe like brown toned. I like right now I can't really think of the two colors or any of the other colors that she's got, but this one is Juice. I really like this one. So she also did just release the Flawless Setting Kit, which I do have here. She does have a bunch of kits available for purchase over the holiday season. There's the Vita Active Kit, which includes the Vita Active skincare. There's also the Calm Skin To Go, which contains travel sizes of a couple of her more like calming or like redness skincare. There's the Age Clear Kit, which I think is for acne. And then there's the Lip Serum Trio, which you can pick any 3 lip serums, I think, except from the duo. I'll go ahead and leave it down below if you want to check it out, but you can pick any 3 lip serums that are available, you know, in the drop down for $119. It also comes in a little vegan pouch, and it's a $155 value. So you're essentially getting like a free lip serum when you do it that way, if you've been wanting to try any of them. And I do have a coupon code that you can use with any purchase that you want to make, so that brings the price down even more. So I wanted to mention those. But the one that she sent me was the Flawless Setting Kit, which contains 2 products. It contains the Teddy Round Brush. Whoa. It contains the Teddy Round Brush, which is the rounded top brush that she's got. And then it also contains a full size of the Vita Set powder, which I haven't given a try yet. I just got these in the mail. So I am still working on my Vita Active Foundation review, so these will definitely be great to use with that review. But if you've been wanting to try the Vita Set powder, she does now have a little gift set. I think the Vita Set powder on its own costs $69 and the setting kit is $79. So yeah, the value of this is $140 and you only get it for $79. You know, plus my coupon code, so you can, it brings it down even more. So that's all that I wanted to show you guys today. The new Fitglow Lip Serum Duo, which I'm loving, super loving, and the new Vita Set gift kit. So I hope that this was helpful. If you've been looking at the new Lip Serum Duo and you're not quite sure what the colors are, yeah, I love them. Deep especially is so, so pretty. Perfect for holidays, perfect for just like everything. I love that color. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one.